Saving my lunch money changed my life. At 16, I didn't spend my lunch money. I saved it to pay for driving classes. And at a time, I didn't feel like a big decision. But that one small habit changed my entire life, my entire direction of my life. I'm down here so nice this morning. So, not now, let me tell you something most people won't say. The problem is not that you don't have enough money. I know you're going to come for me today. The problem is that you have been taught to spend for comfort instead of investing for movement. It's not lack of money, it's lack of directions for the money you have. Because at 16, I didn't have extra. No, I didn't. I've been Jamaican. Come on. I didn't have privilege. I didn't have abundance. But I had awareness. I understand something very early. If I could move, I could earn. If I could earn, I could change my life. Don't like being dirt poor. So, if you are ready to shift how you see your current situation, save this video. Like it, comment I see it now, and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. So let's jump into the video. What people think the problem is. Most people think if I just had more money, my life would change. But the truth is, because I've seen people with more money still stuck in the same patterns, still overweight, still overwhelmed, still undisciplined, still reactive. More money doesn't fix misalignment, it magnifies it. If I don't say this, some of you will spend years waiting for bigger opportunities instead of maximizing what you already have in your hands. I know you're going to be coming for me today. So, what's the real problem is? The real problem is this. You are spending in a way that keeps you comfortable instead of investing in the way that moves you forward. At 16, I could have bought snacks with my lunch money. I could have followed what everyone else was doing. But I asked a different question. You're the computer, so ask the right questions. What can this money do for my future? I need to get a mic. Somebody tell me what kind of mic to get. Small money used intentionally creates big freedom. Driving wasn't just about getting around. It was about independence. It meant I could take orders, I could travel, I could deliver, I could expand It gave me access, and access changes everything. If you ever overlook something small that could have changed your life, comment small things. Because this is where transformation begins. So, why this keep people stuck? If I don't share this truth, some of you will keep underestimating your current position. You will say, it's not enough. It won't make a difference. I'll wait until I have more. And that waiting becomes years. Wasted years. Waiting for me is how people stay where they are. See, if you want to change, you have to change. The difference between where you are and where you want to be is not always a big leap. It's not. It's baby steps. Sometimes small decisions repeated constantly. So, how this benefit you? My story. Let me bring it back to you, because this is not just my story. This is a strategy. When you shift from spending for comfort into investing for movement, everything changes. You start asking, will this move me forward? Will this expand my opportunities? Will this build something long term? Every dollar should either comfort you or grow you. Choose wisely. Don't live anymore. And when you begin to make those decisions intentionally, you stop feeling stuck. You start feeling in control. You begin creating options. And this is exactly the work we do inside my style lab, because style is not just about clothes. No, baby, no, darlings. It's how you see yourself, how you invest in yourself, how you show up in the world. Nice out here, feels so good. Inside the style lab, we focus on one, confidence through intentional choices, style aligned with your identity, elevating how you present yourself, moving from stop to strategy. If you're ready to stop reacting and start building, come join my style lab. Oh, it feels so nice out here. I wish I did have to go to work today. Anyway, continue with you. The long-term impact. That one decision at 16 years old led to mobility. Mobility led to opportunity. Opportunity led to income. Income led to independence. Independence led to ownership. Freedom is built in small, quiet decisions no one claps for. Simple as that. So people see the results. They don't see the choices I made, the choices you made. So, say no. Your problem is not that you don't have enough. Your problem is you have been taught to underestimate what you already have. And once you change that, you change everything. Everything. So let us sink in, darlings. And I see you in the next video. Before you go, let me just plug my book. This is all that little bits of my life. Very small book. It became a bestseller on Amazon. This is Not a Practice Life by Jacqueline Young. It comes in hardcover, it comes in paperback, and it comes in Kindle. Pick whichever you want to read or listen, and read it. And after you finish reading, come back to Amazon and leave me a review, please. And the best part, give it to someone you know who needs to hear this or needs to read this. And I'll be very, very grateful that you did. And you'll be grateful that you did too, because you become somebody with power. Alright guys, let me show you before I leave. I'm going to go get ready for work. But if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. And please guys, remember to comment, subscribe, share, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. But before I go, let me just show you. This is in my backyard. And this morning the temperature was so beautiful. Look at the river. This is the canal that goes out to the river. Isn't that so beautiful? Yesterday I saw 2 little duckies swimming there. I don't see them today. Oh, this is so calm and beautiful. So that's it for now. I am going to go get ready for work. And guys, I see you in the next video. Much love, darlings. Take care.